what, it's really not that bad as we get you out the door. Temperatures are very comfortable. Didn't even throw on a jacket this morning, as most of us are in the 60s. We're at 66 in New Orleans, but look at Bogalusa, 67, 68 up in Gonzales. So that cool front not quite here yet. Now, the cold front itself doesn't have much in the way of cold air with it. It's just going to reinforce a northwest wind today and push in some drier air. So reinforcing the beautiful weather, really. Now, we're going to stay in the 60s for the next couple of hours. We'll get up to about the mid 70s this afternoon with a lot of sunshine here, and you can see your winds. They will pick up through the day, but with sunshine should be really nice outside. And then if you're heading out for a nice Friday night out on the town, we'll be in the 60s through the evening hours, and then it does turn much cooler tonight in the 40s and 50s. Our cool front, it's right on our doorstep. It's up around Macomb right now. It's going to be sliding on through the area later this morning, and notice there are still a few light sprinkles near the coast. Wouldn't be surprised if one or two showers pop up as that front moves through, but it's not really going to amount to much of anything. You may see a sprinkle or two on your morning drive. That's about it. Now, as we get into the afternoon, the front passes on by, and there you can see the clouds begin to break down, and we're left with that sunny afternoon. The wind's picking up behind this front. You can see they will turn gustier this afternoon from, we'll say, noon to around 5 p.m. Winds will be gusting over 20 miles an hour. Similar to how gusty it was yesterday. There was some pretty hefty gusts out there at times. And then once we get into this evening, the winds start to settle down, and tonight is mostly calm and clear, which means it will be cool tonight in the 40s and 50s again. 70s tomorrow, 70s on Sunday, and look at next week. We're really warming up. We'll be back to near 80 degrees by Tuesday and Wednesday with more humidity. Now, models are indecisive on when they want a cold front to move in next week. Some have it moving in late Wednesday, others have it moving in late Thursday. I do think it's probably going to be at some point on Thursday, and that will determine how exactly warm we get. Right now, I have us in the 70s next Thursday, but we'll see. The timing of that front certainly could change. Humidity, it will take a dip this weekend. Beautiful feeling weather, but next week you can see each day it gets a little bit muggier. We're not talking about any summertime oppressive humidity, but you'll start to feel the air get a little bit heavier and heavier with each day. And rain chances, they start to go up by the middle of next week. Nothing major Wednesday or Thursday, but we'll throw in a 20% chance of rain. The big storms are going to be to our north Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Severe weather threat from the Midwest here up through Chicago and over into Tennessee, even as far south as Mississippi and Alabama could see some rough weather by the middle of next week. For us, Wednesday or Tuesday and Wednesday, no big severe weather threat, but we'll keep an eye on that risk for your Thursday of next week. So something to keep an eye on long term there, but other than that, it's going to be a gorgeous weekend. There's your mornings. 46 tomorrow morning on the North Shore, 43 on Sunday morning, and then we'll be in the low 50s here on the South Shore. Lots of sunshine with the 70s in the afternoon, a lighter wind. It's going to be fabulous this weekend. I hope you get outside. And then next week, there's the warm up back to about 80 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday.